We are going to be joined by experts. We are joined by Somil Mehta. He is the head of alternate research at, of course, Mirari Asset Share. Thank you for your time. Your first thoughts for small investors witnessing these steep declines today in early trade. We have, of course, seen levels such as over 4% tumbling as far as the benchmark indices are concerned. We've seen mid-cap and small cap indices bleed in trade. We have seen all sectoral indices trade deeply in red, tumbling over 2%. Over 4%, over 5%. So an across the board sea of red. So what do small investors make of this market mood?
See, overall, the market trend has been down. And if you see in the last 6 months, we've been forming low tops, low bottom. Mid caps, small caps have been crashing, making low tops, low bottom. So overall, the trend definitely remains negative. However, there could be value buying from these levels. Last week, we saw President Trump giving their statement and making those changes in terms of tariffs. So I think from here on, if I have to look at as an investor, then the worst case scenario on the downside would be 20,500 or 20,000 levels. But there could be value buying in large cap stocks. Stay away from small caps and mid caps. Definitely, there could be more selling there. There could be very sharp sell-offs in these stocks, small caps and mid caps. But in the large caps, there are very good value buying. There are a lot of where you can start accumulating, like in Reliance or ONGC, NTPC, Ultratech Cement. There are a lot of stocks where you can start buying where there's a lot of correction. And in fact, in Ultratech Cement or Grasim, there's not much correction. It's been consolidating in a range, and I'm expecting these ranges to break on the upside. So invest in large caps. Worst case scenario would be 20,000 or 20,500 on the downside, and this is a very good opportunity to buy. There's definitely uncertainty at this point of time in coming weeks, but this could be the time for big investors or the long-term investors to come in and buy.